You're about to have the chance to get in on all of these payments that you see right here. Every single payment that you see, you're going to have the chance to start making this kind of money as soon as the first week of October. Why is that? Well, I'm officially opening the doors to PLR Hustle franchise, and that's correct. You will have the opportunity to become a franchise owner and sell every single one of the PLR Hustle products and keep 100% of the profits. So what does that mean? That simply means that you will have a done-for-you store created for you. Myself and my team will create your store for you. You will have your own domain name and you will get to sell every single product on plrhustle.com. So whenever that happens, some very magical things happen. And the magical thing is whenever you're selling so many different products, it's nearly impossible to fail. It's nearly impossible to not have deposits coming in like this all day, every day. So you may sell a few $7 ebooks one day and you may sell a few $50 ebooks the next day. But at the end of the day, there's no opportunity online this powerful. Not drop shipping, not investing, not affiliate marketing, not trading. None of that stuff is more powerful than building a digital business with all types of products where people can shop from and choose from. Just imagine somebody walking in Walmart and walking out empty-handed. Most people that walk in Walmart, they walk out with something. I don't care if it's a pack of gum or a flat screen TV. At the end of the day, Walmart has so many options and Amazon has so many options that people are going to buy something. It doesn't matter how much it costs. And that's exactly the power you're going to have starting October the 1st, whenever I open the door for you to become a PLR Hustle franchise owner. Remember, this is something extremely powerful, and this is something that since the 3 years of existence of PLR Hustle, I've never opened the doors to until now. So there will be a limit on how many people get in. Most likely the limit is going to be 20 people. And as you already know, I personally, across multiple channels, have over 200,000 people that follow myself and that follow PLR Hustle online. So the spots are going to be extremely limited. Now, this is the thing. I already know that something like this is very profitable, but it's not going to cost you $10,000 to start a franchise. To find out more about pricing, you have to check the link in the description of this video, but it's not something that's crazy. It's not something that's going to break the bank, and we will allow Afterpay if you want to go ahead and grab your franchise spot. So even if you want to do Afterpay, you definitely can, but let me tell you this. This may sound crazy, but I'm just going to be honest with you. We had 2 private people to have a PLR Hustle franchise last year. Now, when I told you we've never opened the doors, that's publicly. But I've had 2 people that I closely work with that's had PLR Hustle franchises behind the scenes, and both of their stores have done 6 figures in revenue with 6 figures in profit. And that's almost hard to comprehend with, because if you can open up a brick and mortar restaurant, you can open up a Wendy's and you're not guaranteed 6 figures of profit in your first year. You can open up a McDonald's and the average McDonald's make $150,000 a year profit. So at the end of the day, whenever you are able to compete with Wendy's and McDonald's franchises with a PLR Hustle franchise, that tells a lot. So this is the thing. Whenever you have a McDonald's or a Wendy's franchise, it's going to cost you anywhere from $500,000 to $2 million to get started. And that, of course, includes the startup capital, the hiring process, the brick and mortar stores, all of that. It costs a lot of money to get started. So that's the beautiful thing about digital marketing and being able to become a PLR Hustle franchise owner. It's not going to cost you that much money to get started. And it's going to blow you away with the low price that it's going to cost you to actually run your own PLR Hustle franchise. But as you can see, once again, it's extremely, extremely profitable. And all you have to do is just imagine payments coming in all day, every day with my training that I'm going to include within this franchise opportunity. Now, I didn't want this video right here to seem like a sales video, but I just want to let you know that this is an opportunity that most people could only dream of. This is one of those opportunities to where you're relaxing with your family on the beach, on vacation, maybe in a nice cozy cabin or whatever it may be. and you just got 15 sales ranging from $5 to $75, and you're just relaxing with your family, having drinks, drinking coffee, drinking tea, whatever it may be. And this is a lifestyle. This is a lifestyle type of business. So a lifestyle type of business is a business that will support your lifestyle and then some without you having to work a 9-to-5 job. So all I'm simply saying is I wanted to make this video as sort of like an announcement video to let you know that you can be on YouTube literally for the next 10 years. You will not run across an opportunity this powerful. So if you want to be a person who procrastinates, that's on you. Keep it moving, watch this video, shut it down, whatever you want to do. But as you can see, these payments don't stop. And if you have my training, which you will, it's nearly impossible to fail. If you want to lock in a franchise spot, all you want to do right now is you want to comment franchise with your email. Now, I know you might not want to publicly put your email, but hey, listen, you don't have to worry about people blowing up your email or anything like that, because after you comment, I'm going to go ahead and send you an email and I'm going to delete your comment. So go ahead and comment franchise if you want to be a person that grab a PLR Hustle franchise and take the rest of 2023 and all of 2024 and beyond by storm. Go ahead and comment right now. And also let me know what you thought about the video in a different comment if you want to. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And be ready for October the 1st, because I can promise you that this is some power that you've never ever had your hands on before.